Look at this really nice Porsche I just picked up from the dealership. I hope I don't get pulled over today. Man, look at those bronze rims, too. Oh, crap. Well, there's a cop. Okay. Let's pull over. Hello, sir.
Do you know why I pulled you over today? You were speeding.
Boy, I'm in big trouble. This isn't good. Guys, I think we can run it. Guys, I think we can run this. You ready?
Wait. No, what do you say? No, you're not gonna run it. No. No, you're not. Sir, I swear, if you run it, oh my god, he's running it. We gotta catch him.
We're running it! We're running it! Oh, crap! Wow! Oh. 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 Help me. Oh, this guy helped me get out of the car. I gotta go to the EMS.
Sir, are you hurt? Sir, are you hurt? Okay, that's good to know. Okay, go get in the EMS. Okay. So, sir, are you okay? Okay, get in the truck. There you go. Perfect. Okay, let's go.
There's the scene.
I'm just gonna turn on some tunes if you don't mind. Making my way downtown, walking fast, eating less, and I'm fat. Sir, do you know the song? It's a pretty good song. Yes. Oh, I see we have arrived. Okay.
A few moments later.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. But there's one thing. We have to do surgery.
We have to do surgery?
Yeah.
What?
Okay, sir, your surgery is all complete. You should be able to walk and stand and then for the next couple hours or days. I really don't know.
Thank you so much.